So today we are seeing my toys. So my toys are very exciting. I'm so excited to show it for you guys. So let's start. Toy number 1. It's the mechanical hand. It's very cool. I assembled it. So cool. So the thing is, you have to just put your hands in. Next, you can just move your hands and your thumb. It's moving, look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that was amazing. So you can buy it in Amazon. So next is Ultimate Science Kit. It has 40 experiments. Exciting experiments. This you can buy it in Amazon too. So look, it's so cool. It has food colors, scent, it has this, it has a funnel, and it has some measuring cups and some tissues and some bags. I don't know what is that. So that's good. That's very nice. So now let's go to Monopoly. You know my Monopoly, in the first video I posted this Monopoly we played. So Monopoly Ultimate Banking. So look at this. If you're not seeing, go to my channel and check it out. It has like a manual, and it has some like this. Can on it. Can you hear the sound? Now you should press this cross mark for 5 seconds, then we'll go. So next, it has a board, some boards. See? Isn't this cool? So we have to keep the phone here, and we have to keep our coins. See, the coins. We have 2 dice, and we have 24 house. And we have airplane, ships, we have helicopter, cars, so many things. So we have also a credit card. Wow, that's amazing. It's like you are become big with a credit card. So let's just keep it there. So close it. So let's go in the next one. This is India with capitals puzzles. So look, it's so cool to play. It has every Rajasthan and Gujarat, Karnataka. It has so many things. Tamil Nadu, Kerala. It has Chhattisgarh. It has Odisha. So you can read these all. And under this, you have some flags to stick like this. Have some stickers to stick on the flags. So that's cool. Let's close this up and keep it. Next is this remote control car. It's very nice. Like, look at this remote control car. In the first video I showed it, like it went so fast, and I couldn't. Like, see, inside it's very cool. I didn't charge it yet. So it won't work. So let's get to
Ahan, you have made a separate video on that, right? You can tell the viewers about it.
Yeah, you can go to that video and see. You can go to my channel and see remote control car unboxing. So you can go see it after this video. After this video, give a big thumbs up. So next, we have some Legos. Between that, have some Nerf gun. Cool. It has lasers. Look, it has lasers. I can point you. So next, Look at these Legos. You can match them. They are so cool to match. Like this. And you can match this. So, woo, look. Woo, it's so cool. So next, things is getting a bit more exciting. So this is Kinect sand. You can get it in Amazon. So this like you can get it in US or Amazon. So dump it. Let's dump it and play with it. It feels so satisfying. Like you can make it to a ball. But when it dries, we can't. Have to like squeeze it. So cool to play. It's satisfying. It's not like sand. It's like very like when you make a mold, it like falls like so satisfying. So next is I have this gun. This is called Pataki gun. We just load some bullets in here and we put the Pataki and we just shoot it. Just shoot it. Go. So next we have this, the carom thingy like this. So this is like this. So you just play this like snake and ladder, have like Ludo and cars and cricket. I don't know what is cricket. So next step. So these, you're wondering what are these? So these are nothing, just some things that are very waste. So have this giant carom board. It has carom to play and it has Ludo. So that's amazing. So please subscribe right here and give a like right here and share right here. So stay very good, healthy from Corona. Bye.